Okay. I have to. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Priscilla. Today I have for you guys this makeup look right here. I really didn't know what direction I was going. I just knew that I wanted to do something smoky and blue, and this is what I came up with. I actually really like how it turned out. I hope that you do as well. Don't forget to like the video, comment any video suggestions down below, subscribe if you haven't already, and if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, then go ahead and keep on watching. So I initially started off with one eye already done off camera just to make the process faster. I'm going to be using the Through My Eyes palette with ColourPop and I Love Saragi. I'm going to be taking this shade, and this is going to be my crease shade. I'm going to do a couple layers of that and build it up until the color that I desire. Now I'm going to take this eyeshadow from MAC. It's like a Aqua Tiffany green blue color, and I'm going to pack that all over my lid. I want this light shadow to be a base so that the blue that I'm going to add on top won't be so dark. Blending it into the crease with the other shade, creating a gradient, almost like a purple effect. I'm going to take the darker blue and take a flat top brush and just pack that on my lid as much as I can. Then I will be taking the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm going to be using that as a base for the white eyeliner. The white eyeliner that I'm going to be using is the new ColourPop liquid liners. I am going to be using the white shade, and I'm just going to apply, I think I did 2 layers to get it white, but I'm going to let it dry. And in the meantime, I'm going to take that green MAC shadow and I'm going to put that on the outer end of the eyeliner that we created with the concealer. And then taking the emerald shade from the Through My Eyes palette and applying that right on top. I just wanted it to pop out more, and I really liked the shimmer in the emerald shade. I'm taking the liquid liner pen and I'm going to outline the edge of the eyeliner. I had a lunch break. I was hungry. And then we're gonna go ahead and continue into the face. This contour is amazing. I fell in love with this highlighter from the BoxyCharm that we received for February. I can't wait to see what we get in March's box. Just look at that glow. It's cute, it's cute. And this blush, until I find a blush that tops this one, I don't think I'm going to put this one down. So you guys already know, Laura Geller. This blush is everything in Tropic Hues. And I'm going to take this shade once more, the one we used in our crease, and that I'm going to apply all over my lower lid. That's the only shade I'm going to use on my lower lid. And then I'm going to take this lighter gold glittery shade, and that is going to be my inner corner highlight. For the lips, I'm going to use this Buxom Lip Plumping Gloss in White Russian. Honestly, it's been my favorite. It's been my go-to. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like the video, comment any video suggestions down below, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Vamos pa la playa, pa curarte el alma. Cierra la pantalla, abre la medalla.